Exactly. So, good. Now, I want you to look at the grammar chart. We're going to compare this thing. Okay? So, what's the title of the grammar chart? Okay. How many groups do you see in that grammar chart?
3 groups.
3 groups. What's the first group?
Where are you going?
Yeah, but what questions do you have there? WH, yes, no? Only WH?
No.
No, notice that you have WH
And yes
or no question. And then you have what? The
short
short answers, okay? What about number 2? The same structure. Yeah? WH, yes, no, and the 2 possibilities of short answers. And in group number 3, the same. So notice that we have the strategy, asking questions in 2 ways. Yeah? General question, specific question about the same topic. Let's listen to them.
What are you doing these days? Are you studying a lot?
Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
What is Carl watching on TV? Is he watching the game?
Yes, he is. No, he's not.
Who's playing? Are the Yankees playing?
Yes, they are. No, they're not.
Okay, as usual. So very fast, you're gonna analyze in pairs and you're gonna tell me what's the structure of the WH, what's the structure of the yes/no question, and what's the structure of the short answers. Okay, good.
Okay. The which question? The verb question.
First question is
Very.
subject.
Okay, please.
Is the same of the question.
The second question are in sentence of the verb.
This is in this question.
Subject.
Subject for a pronoun. The participle pronoun is this.
Similar.
You finished? Nah, that's a piece of cake. That's actually very easy. So, again, let's look at the chart. I hate this. Okay, so what's the structure of the WH? Or no, just tell me this. Remember, the original structure of the affirmative sentence is subject, verb be, verb in ing, complement. Yeah. What's the difference between the structure of the affirmative and the structure of the yes/no? What's different?
The subject in the middle.
Exactly. Yeah. You change the order. You change the order of the subject and the verb. Okay. Now, what about the WH question? What happens with the WH? Do you change the order of the subject and the verb? Yes. Notice are you. But the first element is what? The WH word. Exactly. Good. Now, in the short answers, what do you use in the short answers? The verb be or the principal verb? Principal verb. Remember to the verb be. Similar to the verb be. Okay. Good. Now let's look at the exercise that comes next. Look at the exercise. So, okay, you have to complete those questions, and we're gonna use these questions to talk about your sports plans this year. Okay, or what you're doing about sports. So, you have 8 questions. Very fast. Don't complete. Wait. So let's analyze. The first is a yes/no question. The second. Number 3. Yes/no, because notice that there's only one space. Number 4. WH. Number 5. Yes/no. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Okay, now I want you to tell me if the subject is singular or plural. Yeah, answer this. For example, in question number 6, the subject is singular or plural?
Singular.
Your best friend. So the verb is?
Is.
What verb? Is. Exactly. Now, don't complete yet. Okay. I want you to analyze the vocabulary very fast. Okay? In number 1, are you getting enough exercise these days? Do you understand enough? What's enough?
No.
Enough is a synonym of sufficient. Sufficient. Okay. Now, number 2. What you do for exercise? Problem with the vocabulary?
No.
No. 3. You learn a new sport? No? No problem?
No.
Okay. 4. How much you walk? No problem. You take exercise classes this year? No problem? Your best friend exercise enough these days?
No.
What kind of exercise your best friend do? Your friends play on sports teams this season? Season, remember? Winter, spring, summer. Now, look at the transcription of the pronunciation of enough. Enough. That's the pronunciation. Yeah, you see the letters O-U-G-H, but the pronunciation is enough. Okay? Please complete the question.
What does learn?
Learn?
mean?
The teacher teaches and the students learn. In this class, you're learning English. Okay? Good question.
Teacher, repeat. Enough. Enough. Enough.
Enough. Look at the transcription there.
What is enough?
Sufficient.
Sufficient.
Sufficient. Is that synonym?
Duplicate
What is sufficient?
Sufficient.
consonant vowel.
Suficiente. Yeah, exactly. Eliminate the in and ing. So, can you start to compare? Where's the answers? What do you have another one? Best friends. Only for please. Only good for you.
Yes.
Exercising.
Comparison.
Yeah.